Hey there, Diane Conklin with CompleteMarketingSystems.com. So I'm going to talk to you about something a little different today that I haven't talked about for a while. Do you do live events? Do you host retreats, workshops, seminars, whatever you call them? If you do, I have something really exciting that I want to tell you about. I don't even know how many live events I've done, either as a promoter or as an event planner. I couldn't tell you how many I've been to, but it's a lot. And so you're not going to see him on this video, but you will if you go to liveeventsuccesssecrets.com. I have a really good friend who I was blessed to meet years ago now. His name is Mira Beck, and he runs an AV company. And Mira and I, when I was doing event planning, talked a lot. And he's just an amazingly smart guy when it comes to audiovisual, when it comes to video, when it comes to making money from live stream on live events, as well as after the fact with products. And I've known Mira for, geez, we've been through a lot together. 15 years, I guess. Maybe a little longer than that. I'm trying to calculate in my head as I'm talking. Maybe longer than that. Anyway, here's the reason I'm telling you this. Mira has done over 500 live events with his company, Beck AV. And he and I have for a long time talked about ways that we could do things together and ways that we could bring our skills together. And now we found it. And so I want to tell you that if you are considering doing live events, this is a must-attend event. January, I think we're at 28, 29, and 30 are the dates. Just go to www. Make sure you type in the www. We had a little problem with this, but type in www.liveeventsuccesssecrets.com. And it'll take you to the site with the exact dates. And we're going to be in Tampa, Florida. So unless you already live in Florida, no matter where you are, weather in Florida in January is going to be better than where you are, most likely. But here's the deal. Mira and I are taking the combination of all of our years of experience, probably well over 1,000 events, from small events that are 5 to 10 people, all the way up to events that are well over 1,000. And we are going to put together a 3-day event where we're going to teach you and show you all of the secrets to profitable live events. I'm going to talk about how to negotiate with the hotel. I'm going to talk about how to market and fill your events, which is a big deal right now because it's getting harder and harder and harder to do than it used to be. He's going to talk a lot about, first of all, we're doing this at his facility in Tampa. He's got this amazing facility that if you wanted to host live events later in the year, you potentially could do them at his place. It's an amazing venue. A lot of advantage to that. We'll talk about why you might want to do that as opposed to a hotel event, why you might want to move your retreat to a retreat city, or maybe you want to do it in a smaller place. There's a lot of things that go into events that if you haven't put them on and you haven't really studied, that could go unnoticed. I often tell promoters I can save them as much money in their AV or in their food and beverage, F&B, than they will pay to have me run their entire event. And that is typically the case. I'm going to tell you some things that will probably shock you at the event. Like, only one time in all the years that I've been hosting and planning events for myself and other people, only one time have I ever seen a hotel bill that's been correct the first time. People are overpaying hotel bills. You are signing hotel contracts and being held liable for things that you don't need to. Have you ever had the hotel write you a check at the end of an event? Okay, I've had clients who've had that happen. So there's so many moving parts in an event that most people make it look easy. You show up, right? You stand outside the door, you rush in to get the best seat that you want, and you sit there for 3 days and you think, wow, right? It's as if by magic, all of these things happen. And because event planners and event promoters and professional AV crews make it look so easy, Or maybe you've had the opposite. Maybe you've gone to an event and it's been horrible, right? Both of those things happen. But either way, right, it looks easy most of the time, and it's not. There are a lot of moving parts. There are a lot of things to consider before you do your first marketing, before you sign the event hotel contract, before you decide where your event's going to be held. There are a lot of decisions that go into this, and some can be very costly. Not only from a monetary perspective, but from a reputation perspective, which is sometimes just as important, if not more. So I want to invite you to take a look. If you just go to www, and again, if you're typing it in, if you're clicking the link, don't worry about it, but if you're typing it in, please type in www.liveeventsuccesssecrets.com. Check it out. Seriously, the investment is minuscule as opposed to, one, what you're going to get knowledge-wise, and two, what this could potentially save you if you're doing live events. I'm going to show you all sorts of marketing things, all sorts of things that a lot of people have never even thought about. So check it out. Again, www.liveeventsuccesssecrets.com. If you have questions, let me know. There's a way to talk to somebody actually there on the site, an email and a phone number if you have questions. All right, I'm Diane Conklin with CompleteMarketingSystems.com. Check it out. I hope to see you in Tampa in just a few weeks. Have a great day.